Yuanshan by Linking368Taiwan. The rounded hills that crown this town, green waters flow encircling round, with countless lakes the beauty stays, as guavas and pineapples scent the days. A poem by Linking368Taiwan. Hi there, I'm Christina. Today we're here in Yuanshan, Yilan. We all know that water is essential to all of us. And right beside me are beautiful ponds that kind of remind me of my hometown, Boston, and its iconic park, Boston Commons. Today, we'll explore what makes Yuanshan Yilan so special. This is Linking368Taiwan. Let's go explore this amazing town! With a sense of mission packed in my bag and a curious heart, I set off on this journey. We're visiting a place known as the Land of Water. Yuanshan literally means a round hill, which refers to the round hill in town that resembles a dome when viewed from a distance. In this town, there are an abundance of springs, canals, and ponds that drives the tourism here. Our first stop today is a hidden lake tucked away in the mountains. And we'll also explore a secret wonder nestled on the lake. We are now at Shuanglianpi wetland. It looks like a large lake, but it's my first time here.
Shuanglianpi has been designated as a national wetland, and research shows that there are 112 species of aquatic plants thriving here.
Are people allowed to come here?
This area is legally protected. Visitors can only enjoy the lake from a path outside where they can observe the views and wildlife. But Christina went through a complex application process and got official permission. That's why she's allowed inside this preserved area.
Whoa.
Do you see that island over there? It's actually floating on the water. This floating island is made up of various aquatic plants. Emergent vegetation grows into these floating floral mats. You can find floating islands in other countries too, but they're usually smaller, just a few square meters. This one here at Shuanglianpi used to be as large as 4 hectares. That was 4 times the size of a soccer field.
This one here?
And there's even a forest on the island. When typhoons hit, the entire island, along with its forest, drifts across the lake. This is something you rarely see in other countries. I mean, such a huge floating island with a forest.
This island before us is truly a masterpiece of nature. It's hard to believe that it actually drifts with the wind. In fact, aerial photos taken 4 years apart shows that its position has really shifted. Not only is this floating island one of the largest in the world, but it's a wetland of national significance.
Look over there. 2 birds are gliding in the sky.
Do you know what they are?
They are crested serpent eagles.
They're eagles?
Yes, they are. They're gliding, searching for prey.
Oh, we're almost there. Wow, it really looks like a forest. It's hard to believe this is a floating island. So here we are.
Yes.
Are we getting off?
Not really. We'll observe the island and its ecosystem from here. This plant is called Kusano willow. The entire patch in front of us is all Kusano willows. Their leaves are soft green, and on the other side, you'll see trichomes. See them?
Yeah.
This plant is now listed as an endangered species.
Really?
Yes. So it's actually rare and precious.
Oh, that's why it needs to be preserved.
Exactly. By protecting this forest, we are actually helping prevent the species from going extinct here.
In addition to Kusano willows, there are other precious aquatic plants here. They intertwine inextricably, forming floral mats that are about a meter thick. Shuanglianpi wetlands not only preserves many valuable endemic plants, but it also is a crucial habitat for wildlife. The views here are absolutely stunning. You can see the floating island and so many unique plants. I'm totally amazed by the beauty of this place. Right now, all I want to do is lie back on the boat, soak up the sun, and sip on a drink. Okay, it's so relaxing here. I can't get enough of these incredible views. After exploring the wetland, we also visited a young man from the area. He's dedicated to eco-friendly farming, doing everything he can to help preserve the natural environment here. When I arrived, I noticed how pleasant the environment is here. Yeah, everything is well organized. I'm curious, are those also Kusana willows like the ones I saw on the island?
Yes, they are. When I was little, I often visited my grandparents here, so I remember how healthy the ecosystem was before. But things have changed a lot. That's why I wanted to help the environment by practicing eco-friendly farming and creating habitats for wildlife. I've also preserved some native plant species here. By doing all this, creatures that once lived here now have a place to survive again. At night, by the lakeside, you can find frogs like the East Asian bullfrogs. In the winter, even some protected species of frogs come here.
Oh, the biodiversity is incredibly rich now.
I've been doing all of this to bring back the natural beauty I remember from my childhood. That's why I'm so committed to creating habitats for wildlife.
Nature and human can truly coexist in harmony. When you are kind to nature, it returns the favor with its best. Wildlife flourishes once again, showing that life always finds a way. Together, nature and wildlife create this incredibly beautiful land.
U.AMAZING 哦，日啦下事有下山好客情，条轻带人嘛分啊三顶哦。2月来时也是春分的路，好的阿伯啊，你倒梯啊倒船，船顶来吃饭啊，你倒船啊地困。水鬼若掠去啊，你倒无啊，身躯啊，你倒哎呀落地哎，哎呀落地哎，哎呀落地哎呀，伊倒哎呀落地哎哟。
Wow, Christina, you did well for your first time.
Really?
Definitely.
Oh, thanks for coming and showing support. Why do you guys sing Taiwanese opera under this tree?
In the old days, the tree was central to local social life. When not busy with farming, the villagers would gather here to chat, and some would play musical instruments. Over time, that led to the early form of Taiwanese opera. So this is...
Where Taiwanese opera originated.
That's right. It slowly took shape and developed right here in this very spot.
I'm so grateful for the opportunity to experience authentic Taiwanese opera culture. Did you know that Taiwanese opera we see today began right under this century-old tree? To revive this past glory of Taiwanese opera, the local development association has started a class here where people can learn how to sing. After the practice, you can even try some local old-time flavors. We even have a song for this. Oh?
Wow.
See? A song. Okay.
Okay, let me give you a quick introduction while you eat. This is a very authentic dish from Yilan. It's smoked duck. It's good. Yeah, try a piece first.
Oh, this looks delicious.
Remember its flavor. You'll love it.
Mmm,
It's delicious,
it's
right?
delicious. 就后甲.
Glad you know how to say delicious in Taiwanese.
It's 进后甲. It's 进后甲. Good job with the Yilan accent.
Now try this slice of pork made with pork belly. It's best with our secret sauce.
This one?
Right.
This is our 5-flavor sauce. How is it? Oh,
It tastes special, right?
it's a bit spicy, but really tasty. I love spicy food.
Great.
Do you guys sing opera and eat together here every day?
No, these dishes were especially made for you. The old-time flavors we're talking about actually refer to traditional dishes from our community. If you want to try them, prior reservation is required. Trust me, the food is so delicious. People who usually only eat one bowl of rice at home end up having 3 or 4 with these dishes.
I feel so lucky to have met all of you and to try these delicately prepared old-time flavors. I definitely recommend people to come here to learn Taiwanese opera and enjoy the local old-time dishes. Thank you all so much.
Thank you. Welcome to Jietoufen community.
The warm hospitality here felt just like Christmas. It's so lovely. In Jietoufen community, I truly felt the warmth of the people and saw their passion and dedication to preserving Taiwanese opera.